Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos on everything marine electronics related. Today we'll be showing you how to replace the end caps of your Raymarine open array radar antenna. You can purchase replacement caps on our website at maxmarineelectronics.com. For today's repair, you'll need to have your radar antenna, replacement end caps, a box or something to elevate the antenna, outdoor rated silicone, paper towels, and rubbing alcohol. Notice the antenna is propped up. This will allow the end caps to dry without being shifted. You can also choose to prop the antenna up after replacing the end caps. Either way, you'll want to make sure that the caps are not shifted while drying. Start by thoroughly cleaning the inside of the caps with rubbing alcohol. Next, clean the end of the antenna with rubbing alcohol. Use a generous amount of silicone inside the cap. Place the cap on the end of the antenna. There will be excess silicone. Use a paper towel with rubbing alcohol to remove the excess. Do not use water. Allow the caps time to dry before putting the antenna back onto the pedestal. Remember, if you need caps for your Raymarine open array radar antenna, you can easily purchase them at maxmarineelectronics.com. When you order on our site, you receive 10% off at checkout.